Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to test the deflagration of a small batch of Mercury Fulminate that I made a few days ago. It's been drying out in my desiccator. Now remember, the difference between deflagration and detonation is deflagration is when something burns really vigorously. An example of deflagration would be like gasoline burning in your car's engine, whereas detonation is when something explodes, usually due to shock. So we're trying to deflagrate our Mercury Fulminate. Well, as you can see, I was only using very small amounts of Mercury Fulminate, but those little sparks that you saw flying up in the flame, that was Mercury Fulminate deflagrating in the flame. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.